Hello everybody, my name is Amit Pawar. So I am the founder of Sankalp Tech and we are working on a product named Smart Vest, as you can see here in the photo. So we are solving for a very fundamental need of blind and visually impaired people, which is their mobility and navigation. As we know that, especially in countries like India, in our country, blind and visually people face a very difficult life, due to lack of opportunities, lack of infrastructure. They live a life of dependence, and ultimately they get thrown into poverty, deprivation and these kind of things. And the population is also huge in India of the suffered ones. So there are more than 3.2 crore blind people in India alone, which is surprisingly more than the total population of a small country like Nepal. So there are more blind people in India than there is a population of Nepal. So the problem is very huge, and as we know that they need a solution. So this is our story. This is what we made for the visually impaired people. As you can see, this is a product named Smart. So I did my masters from physics from FU Berlin in Germany. Before that I did BSc from Hindu College in Delhi University from physics only. And after that, during lockdown, I came to realize that I should do something for my own country, not do a job in foreign and get settled there. So yeah, and this is where the startup idea was born. This is the product that we are working on, which is named Smart Vest, which is essentially a wearable device for the visually impaired people. And how it works is, it talks to the user, reminding them of what's in front of them and how far, so that a user can know like if something is coming in their way by talking to them and helping them avoid it and have a peaceful navigation. And this is very unique, not present anywhere in the world yet, which is the real-time audio feedback. And the currently available solutions are more into giving vibration feedback, having smart sticks and these kind of things, which makes them more confused than helping them. And our product presents a very different approach towards that, and people it gives them the value that they need. Also, this is the current version that we developed, which is for the basic mobility. We have filed a patent for this also, and the ultimate plan is
this is exclusive,
right, sir? So yeah, this is not present anywhere in the world yet.
Sure.
The solution, right, sir? The solution of giving a real-time audio feedback is truly unique, and first of all, here made in India. Thankful to that. And also one more thing to mention is that this product is 100% complete Indian.
Okay.
So everything apart from starting from basic circuitry to everything is Indian. So it is a made in India solution, going local, being vocal for local, and the aim is to go global and serve the global markets. So yeah, this is the.
You take patent rights?
I have filed for the patent for this device, and yeah, so far so good. We're planning to launch by the end of this year. So guys, as you can see, this is this device, which is a wearable solution for the visually impaired people. The name is Smart Vest for the device, and basically it is a wearable device working in both forward and backward direction of a visually impaired person and giving them a real-time vocal feedback, as in speaking to the user and telling them what's in front of them and how far. And it covers the user in both front and back direction. Also, it works with a normal usual power bank and gives a continuous power backup of 5 days. So user doesn't have to worry about charging the device again and again. It works with a regular power bank 10,000 mAh and gives a 5-day full feedback. Also, it has alert actions with the vibration alerts as well as the audio alerts. And the features of the device is that it gives a real-time vocal feedback, which is not present anywhere in the world yet. Secondly, it is a wearable device, hence more convenient for the visually impaired people. So the user doesn't have to keep his stick aligned all the time, holding it in his hand and going everywhere. It provides one more thing is that it provides a multi-language support to the user. So it can talk to the user in their language of their own preference, be it Hindi, be it English, or any other regional Indian or international language. Also, it covers the user in both forward and backward direction. So this is there.
Now when available in market?
So the plan is to, currently we're in the stage of pilot testing. We're receiving a very good response.
Okay.
And after having filed the patent, currently the plan is to go for the market launch by the end of this year, and being involved with the NGOs, government and welfare authorities as well as CSRs, so that we can amplify the impact more and help more and more visually impaired person in our capacity.